Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Aldi in the grocery section this time. I know you guys, some of you like to see what's on the grocery side, so this is for you. Okay, so we have the Velveeta shells and cheese for $3.43. The Gold Peak Real Brew Tea made with cane sugar, and they also have the unsweetened black tea for $7.18, and you get 6 per pack. The Sparkling Fresh Pumpkin Spice Apple Cider is $3.89. Ooh, that was a mouthful. Sparkling Fresh Pumpkin Spice Apple Cider by Nature's Nectar for $3.89. Yes, okay, so they have the Apple Crisp flavored coffee for $3.95 and the cold brew ground coffee in dark $3.29. Crow is $5.55. The sparkling water, you get a 12 pack. They have it in the beach plum, passion fruit, mango, berry. Yeah. They also have the ultimate limited edition of the Coca-Cola for $4.70. So let's see. The extra virgin olive oil is $5.29. Uncle Ben's Ready Rice Spanish Mix, ready in 90 seconds for $2.33. Guys, I get tie-tongue on some of these names because they are so long. So this one is the smoky barbecue sauce, and this one is Carolina barbecue sauce, and they're both $5.48. The tiger tail wing sauce is $2.99. You get 14.5 ounces on this one. The fiery heat 3 pepper pickles, they are $5. And then we have the snack size pickles here for 75 cents. Yes. This one is the 3 pepper, and this one is the bread and butter. Thailand assorted noodles, $1.36. The brown rice here. The red rice. Okay. And then the Harvest Tea Collection. It is $6.99. Let's see. You get 12 cups. The Himalayan pink salt is $3.59, 17.6 ounces on that one. The pumpkin maple soup is $3.89 by Specially Select. Then we have the roasted red pepper and tomato, butternut squash. Yes, $3.89. Pumpkin spice wafers, $2.99. Crispy baked salted caramel coconut rolls, $3.49. Made with real chocolate milk. Okay. Pumpkin spice almonds, they are $3.99. Yes. Peanut butter pumpkins, milk chocolate pumpkins with peanut butter filling. It is $2.25. The wafer rolls, cream filled, they are $3.78. Pumpkin spice and salted caramel. Coconut cashew crisp, $2.99. The pumpkin quick bread and muffin mix. It is how much? It's $2.49. The price is over here. So Aldi have all of this candy here, guys, at such an affordable price. I'm not sure if we can beat this even at Sam's. Like this 365 piece right here is $30 for 365 pieces. The peanut butter pumpkins, these little ones here, you get 6 per pack. They are $5.48. Then you get the full-size bars here, 18 of them for $17.58. This 55 piece here is $11.48. The M&M, Twix, and the Snickers. And then the Kit Kat, it only tells us that it's jumbo. It doesn't say how many pieces is in this one, but it is $5.94. Yeah. Okay, here's another one with 90 pieces in it for $9.94. All of the different brands that's in this one, or type of candy. Okay. Pumpkin or beet crust pizza? Huh, where is that? Here, right here. $4.99 by Mama Cozy. made with a creamy white sauce topped with mozzarella, provolone, and another cheese I can't pronounce. Okay, right here we have by Specially Select pumpkin and feta flatbread, and this one is beet and goat cheese flatbread, extra thin and crispy. So, how much? Oh my goodness. It's not giving us a price, guys. I am so sorry. If I can remember to look the price up, I'll put it on the screen. Alrighty. The buffalo style chicken or cheeseburger pizza is $4.59, and it's over here. Colorful carrots or cauliflower florets, $2.29 for 12 ounces. Kirkwood panko chicken breast tenders. Let's see. The chicken and red pepper or turkey pork spinach meatballs, they're $5. And they also have the Swedish meatballs for $5 as well. This butter chicken meal here is $5, $4.99. The protein butter, milk, and vanilla wafers, they are $3.99. This is apple berry blossom, and that one is caramel apple blossom, made from scratch. So over here in the frozen fruit section, the strawberries are $3.29. The berry medley is $7.49. The strawberry banana blend is $6.49, and the pineapple chunks $4.49. They also have the tropical blend and the mixed fruits for $4.49. This is the best deal on fruit, guys. It's a no-brainer for me on the fruit here at Aldi. Absolutely a no-brainer. So I hope that helps you all out. Crazy. Okay, let's see here. So this week on the chicken breast is $2.29 per pound. The chicken wings, they are $2.99 per pound. The legs, they are $1.29 a pound. Ground lamb is $5.85 right here. Never Any whole chicken, it is $1.99 per pound. This is a Butterfield lamb leg. I don't see a price on these. Choice beef pot roast is $10.99. The party pack of the bratwursts, they are $7. We have these today for $2 off on the cheese bratwurst. The original price is $3.39. $2 off, it'll be $1.39. The uncured broth, the German brand, is $3.29. The ABF quarter slice ham, hardwood, smoke, or honey for $4.49 per pound. Here they do have sugar cookies over here for $2.79. It is heavy. And this one is the sea salt caramel and chocolate chunk, 12 ready to bake cookies. Okay, so 12 in this pack for $3.19. Okay, sugar dough right here by Pillsbury, it is $3.68. The chocolate lava cakes, they're $2.99. Okay, so here we have these pretzel bites in the savory for $8.99. Happy Farms port wine, spreadable cheese with almonds. It is $1.99. Lobster roll dip, $3.99. They also have the crab dip for $3.99. Okay, they have so much over here. All the different cheeses. They have the organic medium salsa for $3. Uncured turkey franks, they're $2.25 by Parkview. The organic uncured beef hot dogs by Simply Nature, $4.99. Uncured beef franks by Parkview, $3.29 right here. Okay, Starbucks Ice Espresso for $5.98. We also have the pumpkin spice almond milk creamer for $3.45. Gallon size orange juice is $5.79. Pineapple juice is $4.19, as well as the kiwi and strawberry punch. The homemade lemonade is $1.99. Milk, okay, the milk is $1.89 for 1 gallon, and the eggs are $1.39 for 1 dozen. Okay. The organic vitamin D by Simply Nature milk is $3.89. That's these pumpkin spice pretzels, yogurt covered for $2.99. They also have apple cinnamon, yeah, for $2.99. So that's new. Premium steakhouse recipe steak strips and naturally smoked beef jerky for $11.49. They also have the cracked pepper. Okay, I've heard about these cookies, guys, but this is my first time seeing them. I've been looking for them ever since I heard about them, and I heard that they are amazing. It's the gourmet cookies, assorted varieties, for $2.95, and the one in particular is the one that says kitchen sink. I've never tried them, but I heard that they are amazing. So they have those, and then they have the chocolate chunks. They have the oatmeal cranberry, all for $2.95. Okay, they have the apple cider donuts here for $3.29. You get 6 per pack. Huh. Okay. Ooh, this bread looks so good. Canes and chocolate. You get 8 rolls for $4.49. We have the pumpkin pie for $4.69. The pumpkin slice loaf cake is $3.49. We also have the lemon cake up here, the banana nut bread cake, and it is $3.58. We have the sweet potatoes here, and they're pretty good size for $2.39 per bag. And jalapeno peppers are 69 cents. Is that right? The snacking tomatoes on the vines, $2.39. Okay, the pumpkins, they are $3.49. They are huge, guys, and they look really, really good. So the green grapes, they are $1.49 per pound. They look really clean. The broccoli crowns, they're $1.49 per pound. Then they have the acorn squash, 59 cents per pound. The butternut squash, 59 cents a pound, and the spaghetti squash, 59 cents a pound. Then we also have the Bartlett pears for $2.69. Okay. Okay, Kevin's Natural Foods, keto cauli and cheese, and mashed cauliflower for $4.79. Huh. My first time running up on that one. Mashed sweet potatoes with black pepper, $4.99. Turmeric or ginger shots, they are $1.79 each, and they are 2 ounces. Good Belly probiotics, $3.99. Health Aid kombucha, passion fruit, and tangerine, $2.75. We have the classic or cranberry almond chicken salad singles for $4.49. Mixed grapes are $7.99. perfect pairing, they say. And then the Autumn Crisp grapes, they are $5.99. Alrighty, Millville Crunchy Granola Raisin Brands, $2.69. Crunchy Granola Protein, Oats and Dark Chocolate, $2.39. Millville Protein Pancake and Waffle Mix in the oat and the original for $3.39. Then they have the Buttermilk Pancake and Waffle, light and fluffy, complete. Just add water for pancakes, $1.95. Can't say enough about this coffee, guys. I've started buying this and I love it. I love the price even more, $3.69. The Instant Classic Roast and the Instant Classic Decaf. Okay. And they have the hot cocoa, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and it is $3.99. Simply Nature Organic Chocolate Chip Chewy Granola Bars. They're $3.99. You get 8 per box, and they're only 100 calories. Are we just gonna eat one, guys? You don't tell nobody I won't. We have vegetable and beef stock for $1.45. Chili and beans, 77 cents. Ooh, I got a taste for some bush baked beans. Kidney beans, the Dakota's dark red kidney beans, 79 cents. Pork and beans in tomato sauce, 85 cents for 16 ounces. Then they have the 28 ounces for $1.89. These look like the bush beans here. Vodka sauce by Specially Select. It is $3.99. It's a tomato sauce. Kale pesto sauce. Alfredo assorted varieties, $2.09. Creamy Alfredo. And then we have the ravioli ricotta spinach for $1.59. Chickpea penne and rotini for $2.69. Well, all right, friends, I think that's it today here at Aldi in the grocery section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you guys missed a grocery only video here at Aldi. But I'll try to get back on track if I get enough views on it. So yeah, thank you all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to go back and look at today's video, another video here at Aldi on all their new finds. So I have that one out, and then I'll leave below more of my videos that I've uploaded that I'm sure you guys will enjoy. So go and watch those for me. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share me with your friends, your family, your co-workers, and everyone. Okay? So until next time, guys, thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.